Today I'm here to introduce the all-new next generation mini excavators from Caterpillar. The all-new next-gen mini excavator 1 to 2 ton range has 4 industry-first features. A sealed and pressurised cab with air conditioning, stick steer, cruise control and the LCD monitor. To engage stick steer, the first time you use the function, we do it in 2 easy moves. Engage cruise control to work across the job site, push one button on the joystick, we're in cruise control. The really important one is Bluetooth, so you can play your own music in this machine. My favourite feature of the all-new Next Gen is the icy cold air conditioning. More information on the Next Gen mini excavators, call our team at Hastings Deering on 131 228.